Hey guys, and welcome to the Farming Pastor's Wife. Today is Monday, and I did absolutely nothing Sunday except go to church, and I showed you guys on my last video my kitchen. So guess what? I didn't do anything in the kitchen yesterday, except I came in here and made even more mess by warming up some chicken stew for supper. So y'all are going to join me get this mess cleaned up, and then we're going to figure out what we're going to do with the rest of the day. There's a lot around here I need to do. Okay guys, so I've already been putting a few dishes in the dishwasher, and I got to get that dirty dishes in the dishwasher before I can even start finding homes for all the stuff from the chicken stew and putting everything away. So I'm just going to clean. I'm going to put on some Christmas music or some kind of music, and we're cleaning today. Okay guys, I'm going to show you something that's going to help my cleaning go a little bit easier. I love my house to smell good. I love to know that it's smelling good even in the midst of this chaos and mess with all my cabinets open and everything. I want it to smell good. So I'm going to show you a little trick I've started doing. When I have a candle that I've used, you know, it's come down, it's about had its best day. On my oven, I have a burner in the middle, in the back, that's just a warmer burner. It just keeps things warm. So what I do is I put a candle that smells really good, but that I've used, and I turn that burner on warm. It melts the wax. It smells wonderful without any smoke. It gets things to smelling so good. So, and I'm working in the kitchen right now, so that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to use that candle to keep me motivated. Okay guys, so I know you saw my spice cabinet where it just looks like a disaster, and you would be correct. It is a huge disaster. I can find room for nothing, and I don't know how to fix that cabinet because as it goes back in that corner, there's no wall to stop it, and so it's like an endless pit back there. I mean, there's no wall until you get to the wall, and so things get lost. And I bet I have 4 or 5 of every spice up there. And it's going to take me a day or two to go through all those spices and take care of that. And today's not the day. I've just got to get a topical cleaning where I can function. And then when I do a deep cleaning, we'll hit that cabinet. And y'all can help me. So now guys, we're at the chicken houses. I quit cleaning for a little bit. I am like super tired today, so quit cleaning for a little bit. Now we're at the chicken house. We've gotten one house of chicks, And the other 5 houses are coming tomorrow, so he had to just stop by here, make sure everything was okay. Yeah, they heard it dinging.
They heard the dinger?
Yeah, they heard the dinging.
Okay.
Anyway,
Everything's good?
Yep, everything's good.
Everything's good.
We are headed to Lowe's. One of the chicken houses has a little boo-boo that needs repair.
Yeah, and has a boo-boo.
Because the man who drives the cruster.
Yeah, that's the thing that goes behind the tractor.
That gets out the litter.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And who would be the man that drives the cruster?
That would be me.
Yeah, he hit something, a water hose or a water pipe or something.
A water line.
A water line.
And broke it.
And he broke it, so he's got to fix it. Because
Hey,
the birds come tomorrow.
Do y'all know what it means around our house when the dishwasher is broke? It means Leslie doesn't have any money. Waka, waka, waka.
Sad but true. All right, guys, I'll see you back at the house. Hey guys, right now I'm sitting in my recliner. I've got my planner here, and I am working on filming. I'm hoping and thinking that it might keep me a little bit more on track if I started planning these things. So that's the plan. And I've got my month for November is completely empty except one doctor's appointment. And so today I'm going to start filling it up. Next week I'm going to be the end of this week, actually. It's not next week, it's this week. And we got chickens today. We got chickens in house 1 and house 2 through 6 come tomorrow. Tomorrow night, I'm going to be filming ribs. And then Wednesday night, we have church, so I probably won't film anything. Seems like I did put something down in film. Oh, I may make some yeast rolls. That's what it was. May make some yeast rolls Wednesday. I'm trying a new recipe. And it's one of those things that if it works out, you'll see it. If it doesn't, you won't. And then Thursday, I'm making my little Halloween thing for Judah here. I say Halloween, but I'm just making him some fun little foods and stuff. Because we're still not sure if we're going to do our thing at church or not. We're just kind of watching all the reports on COVID to see. And just kind of we're waiting till the last minute. And then won't be filming anything on Friday. Then Saturday, I will either be filming our thing at church, the trunk or treat, or I may be filming making a taco dip and quesadillas. So we'll see. It's a new taco dip for me. It's not one I've ever done before. But so anyway, we're going to see. And so now I'm fixing to, I need to keep planning, but I'm going to take a break from it for just a minute and fold some towels. Because if I don't go fold towels, guess what? We're not going to have anything to dry off with. And that's a nightmare. Oh, let me tell you something funny that happened today. Bryant's going to kill me for telling you. But he took a shower today. And he came in here with a towel wrapped around him, and like I said, we're almost out of towel. So the towel he had to get was, it wasn't a full-size towel. I mean, it was a full-size towel, but it wasn't one of your oversized towels. So, I mean, you know, he was covered, but barely. And somebody rang the doorbell. I've never seen him run so fast. Don't tell him I told y'all that. Oh my goodness, he'll kill me. Anyway, let's fold some towels. Hey guys, yes, it is still daylight outside. No, we have not had supper. And yes, I am in my pajamas. It's just been kind of one of those days, just a relaxed day. Now, I've shared with you guys before that when I wash my towels, I put a little bit of Clorox in them. And which is a good thing, because when they leave the wash rags all balled up, they sometimes sour or mildew. And the Clorox gets that out, but it also leaves bleach spots on my towels. Well, one of you guys shared with me to try washing them in vinegar. I clean with vinegar. I don't know why I wouldn't have thought of that, but I didn't. And so I tried it, and y'all, it works. That's what I'm doing now, is folding my towels And they smell as fresh as any towel has ever smelled here. So put your washing powders or your washing liquid in, put your Snuggle or whatever you use, and then I just poured some vinegar over it, and it really worked. There's no sour smell or anything, and they're soft. It works, y'all. Okay, so we're getting ready for supper. The kids will be here in just a little bit. Okay, guys, some of you have asked me, do I cook every night? No, I do not. And tonight, Bryant, show them what kind of night it is.
Pizza night.
It's pizza night, and it's Papa John's. We don't ever get Papa John's, but it's a little expensive. Bryant's like, he's in shock.
I could have got 7 Little Caesar pizzas for what we got 2 Papa John's for.
I was wanting Papa John's. So, we always get Little Caesars. I was wanting Papa John's. So, and I ordered. So, anyway, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys. Thank you for just taking the day with me and doing pretty much nothing. The one thing I'm going to try to start doing is at the end of the day, being sure I run the dishwasher. Food on my face. And that way, when I get up in the morning, I can put the dishes away first thing, and then my dishwasher is empty. So nothing gets left over here at the sink during the day. We can just immediately put it in the dishwasher. So I'm trying so hard to get into that habit, but I wanted to be sure to get a video up. I know there's no cooking, but tomorrow I'm going to video it tomorrow. I'm not sure when it'll go up, but we're making ribs. And you don't want to miss that. So y'all have a great night. Thank you for watching The Farm and Pastor's Way.